Welcome back to Quick Physics. Your perspective on forces will never be the same after learning this. Today, we will dive deep into the amazing world of physics to understand the mysteries of forces and motion. Ready to get your minds blown? Let's get started. So, what happens when different forces act on an object? Imagine you're pushing a shopping cart. If you push it gently, it will start rolling slowly, right? But if you give it a harder push, it will move faster. This change in motion is due to the resultant force, which is the total force acting on the object after all the pushing and pulling. Now, let's say we have two forces acting along the same line, like in tug of war. How do we solve this? It's pretty straightforward. If the forces are in the same direction, we add them together. But if they are in opposite directions, we subtract the smaller force from the larger one. This difference is your resultant force, which will determine whether your shopping cart, or in our example, the rope in tug of war, will move forward, backward, or stay put. But wait, there's more. What if the forces are not aligned? This is where vector triangles and the Pythagorean theorem come in. Think of it this way. Forces are like arrows forming a triangle. The longest side opposite the right angle represents the resultant force. By using the Pythagorean theorem, we can calculate the magnitude of this force. Cool, right? Next, let's not forget our friends/foes: friction, air resistance, and drag. These forces are like invisible hands that slow things down. Whether it's a car speeding down the highway or a paper airplane soaring through the air, these forces are always at work, opposing motion and causing objects to eventually come to a stop if no other force is applied. Understanding these concepts is not just academic. It's essential for everything from engineering to everyday life, from designing faster cars and airplanes to simply understanding why it's hard to slide a heavy box across the floor. So, keep exploring, keep calculating, and stay curious.